This is the Tank T4 10 ATM waterproof super ruggedized AMOLED screen, always on display, beautiful smartwatch. You got all kinds of controls here, a couple of pages of them, and you can add even more stuff to it if you'd like to. You have notifications sent from your phone if you have any, and when you swipe up, you get into all kinds of information. Your step count information for the day, showing calories, steps by hour, distance traveled, and your overall activity details are in here as well. You also have your heart rate over the last 24 hours. Dive deeper, you get more copious information and your resting heart rate from the previous night. Another swipe over. Now we're looking at blood oxygen, and this is a breakdown by hour if you have it set up for that, your highs, your lows, and you can take an instantaneous measurement as well if you want to. Go again. Now you've got your last night's sleep information all broken out. Dive deeper. There's your total time, a bigger chart, and your breakdown by hours and minutes in each of those different zones of sleep. Want more? There's your weather information. Forecast is here. Dive deeper. You get into all kinds of things, including UV and you name it. And you got a stopwatch. Now, all of these can be changed and mixed up and changed in the order if you'd like to. Real-time running in the background, stopwatch is available as well. Get back to your overall watch face. Swipe to the left. Now you get into your overall workouts where you can set up running, walking, cycling, all kinds of different things. GPS is on this watch, so it'll invoke GPS and create a track for you. You can set up overall training plans by day with specific plans that you can execute. Watch will track all that. You set that up in the app. We show you in the long review how to do that. Your basic workout records are here. Heart rate, blood oxygen, even stress and mood are monitored in here. You hit that button, it'll do all four readings at once in one collective one-tap measurement. You got sleep time, Bluetooth calling is with this one, notifications and weather you've seen, alarms you can set up. There's a simple calendar in here, shows you your date information, music player built into it, simple calculator as well, which you get nice big digits so you can see clearly what your numbers look like. You've got a built-in compass now. You get in here, you calibrate it, boom, and there you are. Now, one really fun thing about this is when it twirls around and north crosses the top, it beeps or vibrates. And so wherever you are moving, you can actually tell when you've crossed over and are looking north. Never seen a watch do that, and it's highly responsive. You see that? Altitude, barometric pressure, separate app shows you that stuff as well. All of that's in this one. Navigation's where we go hog wild. This is where you can download offline maps anywhere in the world. We show you in the long review exactly how that is handled on this watch. Ambient temperature, flashlight, a walkie-talkie if you have more than one of these watches your friends are wearing. No phone needed, no satellite needed. You can talk back and forth with each other. Voice assistant, copious settings in this and more that includes things like timers and stopwatches and world clocks and breathing exercises, even sun and moon, so you can make sure you get back to camp before sunset, right? All of that's in here and more. It's a beautiful watch. It's got a nice rubberized band that it comes with, and there's an optional leather band you can pick up. Uses a charging puck, and you can even get a separate puck that has a battery charge unit in it that can recharge your long life smartwatch on the fly. It is the Tank T4. Check it out.